Oh, g'day. How's it going? It's Marky here from Nature Time. Just thought I'd send out a Happy Mother's Day wish to all the mothers out there, rugrats and tugrats. Cheers. Good on yous. Happy Mother's Day and that. Whoa, you smell that? Whoa. Whoa, that stinks. Whoa, check this out. Look at that. You know what that is? That's a bloody Maninga Cane toad. Stink. Hey. You. Look at that. These fellas are deadly. They've got that neurotoxin. It'll sit you on your ass. No good. This one doesn't look well. I think it's a mother. She's given birth by the look of it. Now these fellas, they're not like your normal cane toads. These Queensland natives have specially adapted young. They don't have tadpoles or toad poles. They have a special method of giving birth. Just hang on. I'll just have a quick squiz of this and we'll flip her over. Oh yeah. Crownies. You. Now check this out. Oh, look at that. Yes. She's not long given birth and they're eating her guts out. Now these little fellas, like I was saying, they're not called tadpoles or toad poles. These little fellas, call them Queenslanders. Yep, out of the Maninga Cane toad. Now, whoa, we've got to do away with these. Righto, we've got a special method for getting rid of these fellas. It's not very humane, but it's the way it's got to be done. You kill them with fire. Now, any self-respecting dude in Australia carries around a hippie full of the good stuff. Flaming lid off. Ew. Right, let's go. Now just give her a liberal watering, that. Bit of beetle juice. And then, we'll light her up. Ew. Now before you do this, obviously you've got to check your local fire regulations. But at the moment, this time of year, there's not really a problem burning off Maninga cane toads in this part of the country. Ew! Alright, how good's that? Check you next time for Nature Time with Marky.